Okay. 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 I'm here. Where are you? Welcome to my video, guys. It's me again. You know who am I? Why did you left?
My internet sucks.
Okay, your internet sucks. Okay, let's play other games. Wait. Okay, guys.
Today I am with my friend Cristiano.
Now it's my turn. No. It's my time to intro again. Yo, guys, it's me. Well, we just skipped games, and this is my friend. How about you, Tom?
What's up, guys?
Okay, Joy. Okay, let's go, Joy. So we're playing. What's the game called again? How about let's call this girl a little girl.
Shaco chicken.
Okay. How about let's call this girl a little... Oh, no. Yeah, she's here. Oh, I fell. Did you fail? Sarap mo lang ako. Did you fail?
I'm sorry. I called you Rizzo. I'm sorry. I called you
Okay. R.I.P. I told you need to call her fat. Oh no, I'm sorry that I called her. She's coming up. Oh, she's not. She's blind.
Yeah, you're fat.
Oh, he's behind you. Oh, I don't know that. She's smart, bro. She's smart.
There's another one, or is that the same one?
She's
Okay,
smart,
so
bro. I died. No, R.I.P. bro. R.I.P. Me, R.I.P. Where are you? That's not you. I saw you. Wait, I saw you. Wait. Oh no, George. I mean, puppet, run. Puppet.
Rip Christian. She's going. Bro, Freddy. She's going after you. Never
No.
mind. She's going after. Never mind. She's going after me. Freddy, help.
She's racist of purple. Puppet. George, why you go here?
Where are you? I don't see you.
George, it is your fault. Why you go here? This is your fault. I'll go Ragadoll.
I'm
She's so fat, bro. She's fat. Oh, George, run. George. George, run. George, opposite way. Opposite way. No.
Puppet. Died from a heart attack.
No saying heart attacks. Because you're white. Okay.
Well, it's just black.
Am I lagging or no?
No, but I just fell downstairs.
R.I.P. That's I called you R.I.P. So,
R.I.P. Christian. I mean, sorry.
wait. What if I Ragadoll? She's blind.
I just get off.
Oh, she can climb.
No, she can't. I didn't see. Can she?
Yeah, bro. I saw it in my own eyes.
I,
Bro.
let's see.
Oh, you sure? She just said, nah, I don't care. I will not climb. What she actually claimed? Climb, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that's all. What if, how about let's do this one?